Hello, and welcome to the second tutorial of GitHub. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to move from a local to a remote repository. It's basically just a theory lesson before we navigate to the practical lesson. Okay, so how can a project find its way from a local repository to a remote one? This is the local repository. Remember, we initialized Git in this test folder, and we want to see how we can get to this online repository called GitHub. Okay, so how do you do it? The first thing, Git and GitHub are not connected until when we do connect them. So the first step in any project that you're doing, you need to connect Git, which is our local repository here, to GitHub. Okay, and the way you do it, it's just from Git, from your terminal, and you type something like this: git remote add origin, and then the website URL, okay, which will be here. And the reason why we are using origin here, you can use any name here, or like main website or something, but it's just standardized all over the world for people to use origin. Okay, just remember, the way to start is put git remote add origin, and it's going to add that URL. That's how it knows that this Git folder here or repository here is linked to your URL online. Okay, the second thing to understand is to send data from Git to GitHub. We use the git push command, so that is git push, and then we tell it push origin. Then it's going to push all that is here to the online repository. Later we are going to learn that you can add something like a branch, like main. Okay, so depending on the branch that you are at the moment, like if it's main, I can push it to git push origin, git push origin, and then main. So push origin and then the name of the branch. Okay, to pull data from online, if you want to get the data from this repository to match to this local repository, you just use either the git pull origin command. The reason why I'm not doing using the enter key here and effect is because we are going to pass through these commands one by one. No need to cram them. I just wanted you to understand what they do. So to fetch data from remote and match the local repository, we will use the git pull origin. Okay, or if you want the branches and everything, you just do git fetch origin. Okay, so that's it. We are going to pass through each command, so stay tuned. The next tutorial is about creating a GitHub account, and then we start the course and see how GitHub help us. See you then.